Welcome back to my channel, your trusted source for luxury automotive reviews and news. Today, we unveil the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Sedan, a symbol of ultimate opulence, craftsmanship, and cutting-edge innovation in the world of ultra-luxury vehicles. A legacy of prestige. The Rolls-Royce Phantom has long been regarded as the pinnacle of automotive excellence, a favorite among royalty and global leaders. The 2026 Phantom Sedan continues this legendary lineage, blending timeless elegance with modern enhancements, redefining what true luxury means. Exterior design and presence. The 2026 Phantom commands attention with its majestic proportions and refined details. A redesigned iconic Pantheon grille, sleeker laser headlights, and aerodynamic lines enhance its commanding road presence. The Spirit of Ecstasy ornament has been subtly resculpted, adding to the sedan's timeless aura while improving airflow efficiency. Interior, the epitome of luxury. Step inside, and you are immersed in an oasis of bespoke craftsmanship. The cabin features handcrafted wood veneers, lambswool floor mats, and customizable leather upholstery with endless personalization options. A new ambient lighting system and starlight headliner create a serene, almost celestial atmosphere for passengers. Power and performance. Under the hood, the 2026 Phantom boasts a refined 6.75-liter V12 engine, delivering whisper-quiet yet formidable power. Enhanced with mild hybrid technology, the sedan offers seamless acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, while maintaining the legendary Rolls-Royce Magic Carpet Ride. The adaptive air suspension and all-wheel steering ensure unmatched comfort and agility. Technology and innovation. The Phantom is equipped with state-of-the-art features, including a fully digital driver display, an advanced infotainment system with AI-driven personalization, and a next-generation autonomous driving suite. Passengers can enjoy ultra-high-definition rear entertainment screens, a premium bespoke audio system, and rear-seat luxury lounges with massage functionality. Safety and comfort enhancements. For 2026, Rolls-Royce has introduced enhanced driver assistance technologies, night vision, and a 360-degree surround view camera system. The sedan also features improved climate control, active noise cancellation, and seamless connectivity for ultimate passenger comfort. Final thoughts. The 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Sedan is more than just a car. It is a statement of status, luxury, and engineering mastery. With its perfect blend of heritage and modern innovation, the Phantom continues to set the benchmark for ultra-luxury sedans. Outro my channel. That concludes our review of the 2026 Rolls-Royce Phantom Sedan. If you enjoyed this deep dive into automotive luxury, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated on more premium car reviews, only on my channel. Drive in style and see you in the next video.